Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I will show you how to get Google Gemini Pro subscription absolutely free for 18 months. Including this subscription, you are receiving here 5 terabyte cloud storage, AI video editing tool, notebook LM, advanced research and learning tools, AI interaction with Google Workspace and Nano Banana image editing tool as well. Mandatory, you have Jio mobile network. Jio are providing this offer absolutely free for 18 months. So how to do it? Let's start. My iPhone screen is here. First of all, I will show you. I open here my Google Gemini account. If I open here, so my account is not a premium yet. I won't convert VCham as a premium one. So first of all, you need to install Jio mobile application, my Jio application. I open here my Jio application and log in using your Jio mobile network. And if you open this application, so look at this here, top of the screen, get free 5000 GB cloud storage and with Google Gemini Pro offer as well. If you tap here, you can claim. It is not showing here. You can search here. Simply type here Google. So first option is showing here Google Gemini offer. So boom, magic is happened. Free 18-month Pro plan for Google Gemini worth is 35,100 INR. This is the value of this Google Gemini Pro subscription. What we receive here, video generation, Nano Banana, Gemini and 5 terabyte cloud storage as well. How you get this one? You can click here redirecting to Google directly. Simply tap here. Then you need to select here your account. So I just simply add here my account. Which account you want convert as a Google Gemini Pro. After adding this account, make sure which account you want get this subscription for the Google one. You can add here one by one. If it is not showing here, you can add Gmail address and password as well. So here also all the information you are receiving. So the offer ends October 2026. So before that, you should get this subscription and receive 18-month all the features offer, 5 terabyte storage, and just simply look at this here. You paid today 0 INR, $0. Active the plan, click here. Afterward, look at this here, you are Google AI Pro member now. Go to the Gemini, and if I click here my profile here, so boom, I just simply refresh. Now my profile comes as a Google Gemini Pro subscription. If I tab here, so look at this here, one plan manage your subscription, Google One through Google GI, manage your subscription, clean cloud storage as well. Now I open here Google Gemini application. If I tab here, so color is changed, subscription is showing. Bottom of the screen here, Veer and Pro is showing. It means my account is converted as a normal to Pro subscription. If I tab here, so here showing me subscription related, manage your subscription is a Pro. If I tab here, manage my subscription coming from the Pro one. And one of the interesting part come here, how we are receiving 5 terabyte cloud storage or not. 2.2 GB is used and 5 terabyte storage we are receiving here. So this is the very simple process to get Google Gemini Pro using Jio mobile network. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.